Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then my name is Sneha Priyadarshini. I post content on beauty and fashion, and my today's video is going to be a Zara fashion haul video. So guys, ain't we love Zara brand, but with the name of it we think, oh my god, it's going to be expensive. But for today's video I have brought some amazing garment pieces. Like, I've shopped for rupees 4,500 and I got 8 garment pieces, and those pieces are absolutely delightful. If you will watch this video till the end, then you will see that those pieces are basic and classic pieces and you can style them in numerous ways. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'll start with this basic blue color t-shirt, and it's really soft. The fabric is really smooth. It feels so soft on my skin. I really love this, and you can see it has that breezy blue color, and this color is just perfect for summers. Now I have to tell you guys that the cost of this garment was 1290, but I got it only for rupees 390, so that is a catch. So I knew when I saw that offer that I have to get this basic t-shirt. Like, you can even tuck it inside your jeans or trouser, or you can even knot it to make it a crop top, and this will look amazing. It has a very beautiful summery vibes to it, and this color would look great on any Indian girl. Moving to my next garment piece that I bought is this black color bodysuit. So this is a black bodysuit, and you can see that it has got that turtleneck. So turtleneck is a neckline that looks fabulous on everyone, and it is a style that never goes out of fashion. And you can see it has that black color, it has that ribbed fabric. The fabric is really amazing, and black color is something that we can never get enough of. I got this just for rupees 590. I think that a black bodysuit is a must-have in your wardrobe. You can style it in numerous ways, and a bodysuit is a really great garment piece. You can just wear it and you have to not worry about anything showing up even if you have wore a jeans that has low waist. So that's the beauty of a bodysuit. So coming back to the topic, so if you want to have a bodysuit, then what could be better than a black bodysuit, and that too from Zara brand. You are getting a very good fabric, and I got this for like 590 rupees, so it's worth it. So my dream girls, as we are talking about color blacks, so that's why I have picked this next item. This is a black color fox leather skirt, and it looks really amazing after you wear it. It looks very smart. I am in the size medium for this one, and it is priced for 1990, but I got it just for 990. So that was a catchy price, and I was sure that I have to get this. I think a black fox leather skirt is one of those timeless pieces that you can wear for a party, you can wear when you are hanging out with your friends, and you can wear it like in multiple occasions, and it will look good, classy and sexy every time you wear it. Oh, how can I forget to tell you guys that it has amazing quality, and you can see in the inside you have got the soft material going on. So this skirt has my heart. Okay my dream girls, so it's time for me to move to my next outfit, and it brings me this piece. It is a lace bodysuit in beige pink shade, and it is enough to make you feel hot and sexy. I mean, look at this. It has got all the lacy vibes, and I know we girls love lace, and that too in this color. It is like a holy grail product. You can wear a nude undergarment under this and you will look so hot and sexy, or if you want to top it up, then you can wear a blazer on top of it. You can style this piece in a multiple ways depending on your mood. I mean, you can be experimental with this bad boy. So girls, now coming back to the business, what's the price of this one? It retails at 1790, but I got it just for 590 at a discount, and I was like, oh my god, this product at such a price, that too from Zara brand. I got lucky. So my all dream girls, do check out the links that I'll be mentioning inside my description box. So you will be able to find the links for all these products that I've got. Purchased all these outfits from Zara app, so you can check out your luck if these items are still available for your size and for this same price. So on that note, let's move to my next outfit. This one I have t-shirt with shoulder pads. I know you would be thinking shoulder pads were in fashion in 2020, but what about 2021? So my girls, I know that, but still It is a white color t-shirt and you can never go wrong with a white color classic t-shirt. And it's a crop top. So a little bit of shoulder pad won't hurt. It will just look classy and gorgeous. I would also like to add here that the material of this top is really breathable. I think it is going to be my summer favorite outfit. I'm going to wear it for my summer vacation in 2021. And girls, you have to agree with me that a white t-shirt never go out of style. Now my girls, if I talk about the price, so it retails at $990, but I got it just for rupees 390. Now my dream girls, that's a discount that you would not like to miss, especially from a brand like Zara. Because I really feel that the quality of their outfits is really amazing. Exception is always there, but apart from those exceptions, always get a product that is value for money if you're getting it for discount. And I also want to add something here that for 390 rupees, I think it is something that I'll wear this 2021 and maybe another season in 2022. And then even if I'll retire this baby, I have utilized my penny. Now coming to my sixth outfit, it is again a white color outfit, but in my defense it is a tank top, and that too with a linen material. So because of this material, it's going to be a bit transparent. So you might like to wear a nude color undergarment or whatever you like. Yeah, I think it's personally your choice, but yes, I think it's going to be really comfortable for summer. And I think it's a very versatile piece because I can tuck it in, I can knot it to make it look short, I can style it in different ways. It's retail for $990, but at discount I got it for 390 rupees only. So it is really a paisa vasool product for me, and yeah, I'm going to wear all these items a lot in this summer. And yeah, I'm loving my purchase this time from Zara. Okay girls, so now it's time for me to reveal my seventh outfit, and this one has a different color, so be ready to get surprised. Okay, no more suspense. I got this top. So it is a mint green colored top with a sweet line necklace. I'm not sure if you are able to see the exact color, but yeah, this is something different. I didn't have anything of this color, so it is something new that I'm going to add in my wardrobe. So yeah, initially I was a little bit skeptical if I should be keeping this garment, but then when I wore it, I was like, wow. Because of its sweet line neckline, it looks really classy and elegant because it also has some unusual color in it. So I think this piece is also very beautiful. So don't judge it just because of its different color. Do wear it and I know you might fall in love with this one. Okay, enough. It's time for me to reveal the price. So it is for rupees 2490, but at discount I got this baby just for rupees 590. Oh my god, that's amazing. I think I'm going to love this baby. Enough with all my drama. Now it's time for me to show you guys the last outfit of my purchase. It is the last item, but even if it's the last, it's not the least favorite one, okay? So yeah, it is a crop top in grey color. I know you are thinking that this crop top is more like a bralette kind of top because it's too short, but no, trust me, it's a crop top. And the fabric of this one is really soft. It's a bit of a wool material, I think, and I'm not sure what you will call this material. Let me see if I can find anything about the material here. I guess I can't. Okay, anyways, let's check that part. I'm really in love with this piece because it's super smooth, silky on my skin. And girls, the same goes with this piece. It is for price 990, but at discount I got this piece only for 390. I think this is really one of those pieces that I can style in a number of ways. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to style it in different ways and post a video on my Instagram. My Instagram goes with the same name, DreamBoatSneha, so do check it out if you haven't already. Also my dream girls, please let me know which garment you like the most and you're going to shop it. And yeah, on that note, that's end for this Zara fashion haul. But I would like to say that if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. So on that note, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.